Good morning to all of you. So in the last class, we are discussing the what is meant by state transition matrix, what are the methods, evaluation of the state transition matrix, what are the properties of state transition matrix. Okay, so that today we are discussing the problems in state transition matrix. So before state transition matrix problems, so in the properties of state transition matrix is the properties of state transition matrix, properties of state transition matrix. So what is the first property? So the first property is phi of 0 is equal to I. First property is phi of 0 is equal to I. So what is the statement of state transition matrix? Phi of k is equal to a power k. Phi of k is equal to a power k. So what is the first property? Phi of 0 is equal to I. So phi of 0 is equal to a power 0. A power 0 is 1. So it is the identity matrix I. So phi of 0 is equal to I. The first property will be proved. Phi of 0 is equal to I. And the second property is phi of k whole inverse is equal to phi of k whole inverse is equal to phi of minus k. What is the second property? Phi of k whole inverse is equal to phi of minus k. So what is the formula of state transition matrix? Phi of k is equal to a power k. So phi of k whole inverse is equal to a power k whole inverse. So a power minus k. So k place lo a connecting. So minus k. So k is connecting minus k. So it is will be phi of minus k. Phi of k whole inverse is equal to phi of k whole inverse is equal to phi of minus k. So this is the second property of state transition matrix. So the third property is phi of k1 plus k2 is equal to phi of k1 into phi of k2. What is the formula of state transition matrix? Phi of k is equal to a power k. Phi of k is equal to a power k. So that implies phi of k1 plus k2 is equal to a power of k1 plus k2. A power of k1 plus k2. So this is will be changing from the a power k1 into a power k2. What is the formula of e power a plus b? E power a plus b is equal to e power a into e power b, e power a into e power b. So that implies, so you are proving the third property phi of k1 plus k2 is equal to phi of k1 into phi of k2. What is the formula of state transition matrix? Phi of k is equal to a power k. Phi of k is equal to a power k. So phi of k, k is replaced k1 plus k2. Phi of k1 plus k2. So a power k is replaced k1 plus k2. A power of k1 plus k2. This is in the form of e power a plus b, e power a, e power a of k1, a power of k1. It is k is replaced k1. So phi of k1, phi of k1, and the k2, phi of k2. Hence prove the third property. Phi of k1 plus k2 is equal to phi of k1, phi of k2. And the fourth property is phi of k whole power n is equal to phi of kn. Phi of k whole power n is equal to phi of kn. So what is the state transition matrix? What in the state transition matrix? Phi of k is equal to a power k. Phi of k is equal to a power k. So a phi of k whole power n is equal to a power k whole power n. So a k into n. This is in the form of, all of you see, a e power a whole power t is equal to e power at. This is in the form of the product of a into t. So same in the formula of a power k whole power n. So a power k into n. A power of k into n. So k place lo emundi ikkada kn. So in this formula phi of k into n. So phi of k whole power n is equal to phi of kn. This is the fourth property. And the last fifth property is phi of k2 minus k1 into phi of k1 minus k0 is equal to phi of k2 minus k0. K2 minus k1, k1 minus k0. So phi of k is a power k. Emma, so first phi of k2 minus k1, phi of k1 minus k0 is equal to a power of k2 minus k1 plus k1 minus k0. Emma, k2 minus k1 plus k1 minus k0. minus k1 plus k1. So what is will be there? A power of k2 minus k0. So it is will be phi of k2 minus k0. This is the hence proved with the third property, fifth property. So 5 properties. Phi of 0 is equal to I. Second one, phi of k whole inverse is equal to phi of minus k. At the third property, phi of k whole power n is equal to phi of kn. Fourth property is phi of k1 plus k2 is equal to phi of k1, phi of k2. And the last one, phi of k2 minus k1, phi of k1 minus k0 is equal to phi of k2 minus k0. The properties of the state transition matrix, it's very, very, very important. So in these 5 properties, prove it. So next, so state transition matrix. So state transition matrix. So last class discussing the state transition matrix. So the state transition matrix is a fundamental matrix, contains all the information about the free motion of the system. It gives the time response of the system. So the state transition matrix is, formula is phi of k is equal to a power k is equal to, so already discussed chesam manam. So in the time response, Laplace inverse of Si minus A whole inverse. So in the Z transform, so the formula is Z inverse of Zi minus A whole inverse into Z. Z inverse of Zi minus A whole inverse. Z inverse of Zi minus A whole inverse into Z. This is the formula of state transition matrix. So the properties of state transition matrix discussing just now. So phi of 0 is equal to I, first property. Phi inverse of k is phi of minus k. Phi of k1 plus k2 is equal to phi of k1, phi of k2. Phi of k whole inverse is equal to phi of nk. In the fifth property, phi of k2 minus k1, phi of k1 minus k0 is equal to phi of k2 minus k0. So 3 methods evaluation of the state transition matrix. So state transition matrix can be obtained by using 3 methods. First method is computational of a power k using Z transform method. Second one, Cayley-Hamilton method. Third one, canonical transformation. So Z transform method, Cayley-Hamilton method, canonical transform method. So these three methods to solving the state transition matrix. So first problem is a very, very, very important state transition matrix. So first A discrete time system is described by difference equation. So మనకి ఒక difference equation ఇచ్చాడు. What is the difference equation? Y of k plus 2 plus 5 into y k plus 1 plus 6 into y of k is equal to u of k. And the initial conditions, y of 0 value 1, y of 1 value 1, and the y of 0 equal to 0, y of 1 is equal to 0. So calculating the three, first one, determine state model in canonical form. So మనం ఆల్రెడీ స్టేట్ మోడల్ కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేయడానికి 4 మెథడ్స్ చూసాం. జోర్డాన్ canonical form and the observable canonical form and the controllable canonical form. So ఆ మెథడ్స్ యూజ్ చేసి, సో canonical form మెథడ్ ని యూజ్ చేసి కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ ద స్టేట్ మోడల్. సో స్టేట్ మోడల్ కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఫైండ్ ద స్టేట్ ట్రాన్సిషన్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. It's a direct 14 marks question. It's very, very important. Direct 14 marks. Find the state transition matrix. For input, u of k is equal to 1. For k is greater than or equal to 1, find output y of k. So, మనం ఈ 3 calculate చేయాలి. Construct the state model, find the state transition matrix, find output response y of k. Emma? So first, మనకి ఇచ్చిన డిఫరెన్స్ ఈక్వేషన్ ని, ఏమా మనకి ఇచ్చిన డిఫరెన్స్ ఈక్వేషన్, సో y of k plus 2 plus y into k plus 1 plus 6 into y of k is equal to u of k. Since the initial conditions are 0, we can use the Z transform for the given difference equation. So first మనకి difference equation ఉంటేనే మనం canonical form ని మనం calculate చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, సో ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ ఏం చేస్తున్నాం, మనం Z transform అప్లై చేస్తాం. అప్లై ద Z transform. Y of k plus 2 is z square. సో ఇక్కడ k plus 2 కదమ్మా, సో కాబట్టి z square into y of z. సో ఇక్కడ y of k plus 1 కాబట్టి ప్లస్ 5 z power 1 y of z plus y of k is y of z is equal to u of z. So ఇక్కడ y of k plus 2 ఉంటే z square, k plus 3 means z power 3, k plus 4 means z power 4. సో ఇక్కడ ఈ k plus ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో z ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ అప్లై చేసినప్పుడు అది వస్తుంది పవర్. y of k plus 2 కాబట్టి సో z square, k plus 1 is z power 1, y of k, y of z is equal to u of z. Z square into y of z, 5z into y of z, 6 into y of z is equal to u of z. So y of z is common. Y of z is common. Z square plus 5z plus 6 is equal to u of z. So y of z by u of z is equal to 1 by z square plus 5z plus 6. So in the denominator, find the roots. Its roots, z is equal to -3, z is equal to -2. It is z plus 3 into z plus 2. z plus 3 into z plus 2. So a by z plus 3 plus b by z plus 2. Apply the partial fractions. So this is in the form of partial fractions form. So a by z plus 3 plus b by z plus 2. 1 minute, wait. So apply the partial fractions. So in the denominator, two terms, two roots. So a by z plus 3 plus b by z plus 2. Ema? So ila a by z plus 3 and b by z plus 2 chesi. So find the a and b values. Take LCM in the denominator. So a into z plus 2 plus b into z plus 3 is equal to 1. So take z is equal to minus 2 in the equation 1. Take z is equal to minus 2. So the first term is 0. So second term b into minus 2 plus 3 is b is equal to 1. And take z is equal to minus 3. A is equal to minus 1. So A is equal to minus 1, B is equal to 1. So substitute the values. A is equal to minus 1 and the B is equal to 1. A is equal to minus 1, B is equal to 1. So y of z is equal to, in the u of z is sent to the right side. So y of z is equal to minus 1 into u of z by z plus 3 plus u of z by z plus 3 plus u of z by z plus 3. Consider x1 of z. This is take from the x1 of z. This is take from the x2 of z. So this is the canonical form. So already I will explain the canonical form. What is meant by canonical form? What is the procedure? What is the problems? Construct the state model. All are discussed in the last classes. So all of you see the videos, and the x1 of z is equal to u of z by z plus 3. So x1 of z is equal to u of z by z plus 3. So z into x1 of z. So cross multiplication, z into x1 of z plus 3 into x1 of z is equal to u of z. So in the z term only, so z into x1 of z, remaining terms is sent to the left side, u of z minus 3 into x1 of z. Z into x1 of z is in the k domain, inverse z transform x1 of k plus 1. So అదే ఇక్కడ z square ఉంటే k plus 2. Clear all of you? So x2 of k plus 1 వస్తుంది. So x1 of k plus 1 is equal to minus 3x1 of z plus u of z, and the considered x2 of z. So this is the state model. First x1 of k plus 1, state variable, first state variable, and the second one x2 of z is x2 of z is equal to u of z by z plus 2. So the cross multiplication of This is the cross multiplication. Z into x2 of z is equal to minus 2 into x2 of z plus u of z. Z into x2 of z is x2 of k plus 1. So ఇక్కడ x2 కదమ్మా, సో x2 of k plus 1. అదే ఇక్కడ z స్క్వేర్ ఉంటే x2 of k plus 2. క్లియర్? సో z into x2 of z, x2 of k plus 1 is equal to minus 2 into x2 of z plus u of z. This is the canonical form. Okay, so ఇక్కడ మనకి x1 of z వచ్చేసింది and the x2 of z is also find out. So x1 of k plus 1 is equal to minus 3 into x1 of z plus u of k. x2 of k plus 1 is minus 2 into x2 of k plus u of k. So construct the state model, state equation x1 of k plus 1, x2 of k plus 1 is equal to x1 of k plus 1, x2 of k plus 1 is equal to, so x1 coefficient is minus 3. x2 coefficient is minus 2. So x1 minus 3. So in the x1 of k plus 1, x2 of k is 0. So second is 0. And the x2 of k plus 1, x2 coefficient is minus 2. x1 coefficient is 0. Minus 3, 0. 0 minus 2. x1 of k and the x2 of k plus in the first one u of k, second also u of k, so 1 into u of k. What is the formula of state equation? X dash is equal to ax plus bu. X dash is equal to ax plus bu. So this is x dash, this is A matrix, this is B matrix. X dash is equal to ax plus bu. Clear all of you? So construct the state model in the canonical form. The state equation minus 3 0 0 minus 2 ఇప్పుడే మనం చూసాం. And the 1 1 B matrix, C matrix is minus 1 1. అంతే కదా? So in the state first one is completed. Construct the state model. Construct the state model is completed. This is the state equation. This is the output equation. Next, construct the state transition matrix. What is the formula of state transition matrix? So ఇందాక already చెప్పాను. Phi of k is the state transition matrix. Phi of k is equal to a power k is equal to z inverse of zi minus a whole inverse into z. Zi minus a whole inverse into z. So the zi minus a whole inverse into z calculate చేసిన తర్వాత apply the z inverse. Z inverse of zi minus a whole inverse into z. So first one zi minus a calculate చేయాలి. zi minus a calculate చేయాలి. సో ఇందాక మనం ఆల్రెడీ చూసాం. What is the state equation? X dash is equal to ax plus bu. X dash is equal to AX plus BU. So A matrix is -3, 0, 0, -2. This is the A matrix. And the B matrix is 1, 1. కానీ ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏం కావాలి? ఓన్లీ ZI మైనస్ ఏ హోల్ ఇన్వర్స్. సో ఓన్లీ ఏ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఒక్కటే సరిపోతుంది. సో ZI మైనస్ ఏ, సో ZI మైనస్ ఏ, సో ద ఏ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఈస్ 2/2 matrix. A matrix is 2/2 matrix. So your identity matrix. So A matrix అనేది 2/2 matrix అయితే identity matrix also take from 2/2, 1, 0, 0, 1. So in the you are taking from the identity matrix is depends upon the A matrix. So A matrix మీద depend అయ్యి take from the identity matrix. Okay, so the A matrix is 3/3 matrix, assuming the identity matrix also 3/3. Okay, so A matrix is 2/2, so I matrix is also taking from the 2/2 matrix. So first ZI minus A. So A matrix is 2/2 matrix, assuming the identity matrix also 1, 0, 0, 1, minus A matrix is -3, 0, 0, -2. So Z 0, 0, and the Z and the A matrix -3, 0, 0, and -2 is equal to 0. Is 0. Z minus of -3. So Z plus 3. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. And the Z plus 2. Z plus 3, 0, 0, Z plus 2. ఏమ్మా అంతేనా? సో ZI minus A calculate చేసాం. So ZI minus A whole inverse. ZI minus A whole inverse. This is in the form of A, B, C, D. So A inverse is 1/AD minus BC, D minus B minus C, and the A. D minus B minus C and the A. So A, B, C, D. AD అంటే ఏంటి? Z plus 3 into Z plus 2 minus BC 0. D is Z plus 2 minus 0 minus 0 Z plus 3. Okay, so 1/AD minus BC, D minus B minus C, A. So Z inverse of ZI minus A whole inverse. This is the Z inverse of ZI minus A whole inverse into Z. So in the numerator Z plus 2, denominator Z plus. In the numerator Z plus 3, denominator Z plus 3 is cancelled. So the Z inverse of Z by Z plus 3. In the second term is 0. ఎందుకంటే Z into 0, 0. And the third term is also 0. And the fourth term Z by Z plus 2. Fourth the term z by z plus 3 0 0 z by z plus 2. So ఇప్పుడు apply inverse z transform of z by z plus 3 0 0 z by z plus 2. Okay, so the z inverse of z by, so this is formula is z by z minus a is equal to a power k. Emma, z by z minus a. So the z inverse of z by z minus a is equal to a power k. So ఇక్కడ ఏ టర్మ్ ఏంటి -3. సో -3 హోల్ పవర్ కే, ఇక్కడ -2 హోల్ పవర్ కే. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద స్టేట్ ట్రాన్సిషన్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద స్టేట్ ట్రాన్సిషన్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ 5k. ఓకేనా? సో and the last one, to find y of k when the input is, so మనకి ఇక్కడ ఇన్పుట్ ఏమి ఇచ్చాడమ్మా చూడండి ఒకసారి. u of k is equal to 1. Given input is u of k is equal to 1. So u of k is equal to 1. What is u of z? 1 by z. So this is the unit step signal. In the ramp signal 1 by s square, 1 by z square. In the parabolic signal 1 by z power 3. Okay, so considered state equation. What is the formula of state equation? X dash. X dash means x of k plus 1, ax plus bu. Okay, so in this x domain is converted to z domain. So k plus 1, z power 1 into x of z minus z into x of z, a into x of z plus b into u of z. Emma antena? So in the A matrix, x of z is sent to the left side, remaining all the terms sent to the right side. So x of z is equal to zi minus a whole inverse into b into u of z. Okay, so x of z is equal to, so ఇప్పుడే మనం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసాం, zi minus a whole inverse. What is zi minus a whole inverse? 1 by z plus 3, 0, 0, 1 by z plus 2. And the B matrix is 1, 1. And the input signal z by z minus 1, u of z. This is the z by z minus 1. So the output equation is y of k is equal to minus x1 plus x2. So this is the output equation. 1 by 4 into minus 3 whole power k minus 2 minus 1 by 3 minus 2 whole power k. So these two are state transition matrix. One calculating. So a is minus 3, another a is minus 2, minus 3 whole power k minus 2 whole power k plus this is the input signal 1 by 12 u of k. Okay, so tomorrow discussing the another problem.